Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Ethan Gyani, and today we are going to learn about terms used in bolted connection as per the Indian Standard 800 2007. There are so many definitions given in Indian Standard 800 from page number 1 to page number 5. Now we will take pitch, gauge and distance and edge distance which is going to be used in bolted connection. Now first definition according to the clause number 1.3.72, pitch is the center to center distance between individual fastener, means the bolts in a line in the direction of load or in the direction of stress. It means that if we provide 10 numbers of bolt in any connection, then two consecutive bolts distance is known as pitch, but it must be in the direction of load. Now second definition according to 1.3.55, it stands for gauge value, and gauge is the spacing between adjacent parallel line of fastener but transfers to the direction of load or transfers to the direction of stress. It means gauge and pitch is similar, but pitch is in the direction of load while gauge is perpendicular or transfers to the direction of load. Now third definition is 1.3.40 clause and distance, and it is defined as the distance from center of the fastener hole to the edge of any element. I would like to add something, edge of an element but in the direction of load, similar to the pitch. And next definition is for the edge distance according to 1.3.33. It is defined as the distance of center of the fastener hole to the nearest edge of an element but measure in the perpendicular direction to the load transfer. Now let us take one pictorial example so that we can find out the pitch, gauge and distance and edge distance. So assume one lap joint is given. After calculation of all the design data, we will have total number of 12 bolts as shown in the figure. So all the distance is measured from the center line of the hole or bolt hole or center line of the fastener. So assuming that all the center line is passing as shown in the figure. Now in the direction of load, if we assume any two consecutive bolt, so this distance is known as the pitch value. But if we assume the perpendicular direction of the load, it means two consecutive bolts distance in perpendicular direction of load, then it is gauge value. Now similarly, another two definition is edge distance and end distance. So according to the definition, if we going the last bolt towards the plate end, then it is known as the end distance. And another point is when we going in the transverse direction of the load, similar to the gauge value, then it is known as the edge distance. So in the detailing work of bolted connection, we will have end distance, edge distance, pitch value and gauge value, which is very important while calculation also. Now another thing is we will have the value of pitch and gauge as well as the end distance and edge distance, which is given in page number 73, clause number 10.2.2, and it's written as minimum spacing. So the distance between center of fastener shall not be less than 2.5 times the nominal diameter of fastener. And we know that according to the definition of pitch, the distance between two fasteners must be a value of pitch. So minimum spacing, it means that it is for the pitch, also it is for the gauge if we going perpendicular to the load. So we can say that the pitch value must be greater than 2.5 times the nominal diameter of fastener. So it indicates that if D is the diameter of fastener, then bolt, then pitch in the direction of load and gauge perpendicular to the direction of load must be greater than 2.5 times diameter. Now second thing is edge and end distance according to clause number 10.2.4.3. it's given as the minimum edge and end distance from the center of any hole to the nearest edge of the plate shall not be less than, there are two values. First value is 1.7 times the hole diameter, but in case of shear or hand flam cut edges, it means that if you are going in the field and connecting any element via connectors by hand tool, then it is the value as 1.7 times the hole diameter. And if you are going to connect that bolts via machinery, then its indicates that machine cut, and the value is given as 1.5 times the all diameter, either in load or machine flame cut. So let us take one example. For example, one lap connection is given to us, and the plates are connected via lap joint, means overlap to each other, like we take earlier example. So after calculation of all the data or design the lap connection, if we have 6 number of M24.6 grade bolts, so first of all we have to know what M24.6 grade indicates. So first thing, 4.6 grade, it indicates that ultimate capacity of bolt must be equal to 4 times into 100, 4 times 100. It means it is 400 megapascal, or 1 megapascal is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. So ultimate capacity of bolt is 400 Newton per mm square, or 400 megapascal. And 0.6 indicates that yield strength of the bolt, yield strength of particular bolt is 0.6 times the ultimate capacity of bolt, or ultimate strength of the bolt. Hence in 4.6 category, its yield strength is equal to 0.6 into 400, which is equal to 240 megapascal. For example, you will be given as M28.8 grade. So ultimate capacity is 8 into 100, it is 800 megapascal, and yield capacity is 0.8 into 800, it is 640 megapascal. Similarly, 10.9 grade bolt is given, then ultimate capacity is 1000 Newton per mm square, or 1000 megapascal, and yield strength is equal to 0.9 into 1000, it is 900 megapascal. So from the grade of the bolt, we will have ultimate capacity of bolt as well as the yield capacity of bolt. Now what M20 indicates? Now M20 indicates that the nominal diameter of the bolt, means original diameter of the bolt, is 20 mm. For example, if M24 is given, then diameter is 24 mm. M30 is given, then diameter is 30 mm. In case of RCC, if M30 is given, then 30 indicates the characteristic strength of the concrete. It means characteristic strength FCK is equal to 30 Newton, but we are going to use the bolted connection in steel part. So M20 indicates the original diameter of the bolt. Now from original diameter, we will have one clause, table number 19, page number 73. All diameter is equal to nominal diameter plus standard clearance, and according to that table, for 20 mm bolt, diameter of all must be equal to greater than 2 mm. It means 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22 mm. So from different grade, for example, M16 4.6 grade, or M24 10.9 grade, or M30 10.9 grade, so many bolts are given for the calculation, and according to that we will calculate the data. Now pitch value we calculated as 2.5 into D. So according to that criteria, pitch is equal to 2.5 into D. 2.5 into 20, it is 50 mm, and N and edge distance is 1.7 times D0 according to hand flame machine. So 1.7 into 22 is equal to 37.4, which is equal to 40 mm nearly, and you can take also 35 mm, or for any types of connection we will going reducing this value up to 20 mm. So end distance and edge distance must be greater than 20 mm